Palak Aloo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will make Aloo Palak in my kitchen, which is very easy to cook. First, we will take a pot and put it on the stove and let it heat for a while and put oil in it. When the oil gets a little hot, we will just put a chopped onion in it, made so that it is not visible inside the spinach. Lightly brown the onion and add garlic and ginger paste. And now add a big chopped onion in it, and mix it well, and add finely chopped green chilies in it, and saute it well. When we add all the ingredients, add turmeric, salt and red chilies and fry well so that the aroma is good. This is a very easy and quick way to make spinach. And now we will add finely chopped spinach to it. And now we're going to saute the spinach in it for a while, and then we're going to add the shallots as well, so that the shallots also rot nicely. Aloo is also fried well inside it, and spinach is also cooked well, and cover it well so that the spinach will cook well inside in its own water. And now we add spices and spices inside it. They will also add it so that the aroma of the spices also gets better and the spices do not remain raw. There are many more easy recipes of spinach which I will tell you in my next video. So now this spinach we have fried it well. It is starting to smell very good. And now we are going to cook it. Add green coriander inside and eat it with pleasure. It is really very delicious. You guys must try it in your own homes.